Sub-Lieutenant Kumudini Tyagi and Sub-Lieutenant Riti Singh have entered their names in history by becoming the first women officers in the Indian Navy to operate from warships. They have been selected to join as observers, Airborne Tacticians, on Indian Navy warships as part of the crew. The duo will be part of multi-role helicopters, MRH, crew. Indian Navy spokesperson Commander Vivek Madhwal said they would in effect be the first set of women airborne combatants who would be operating from warships. Earlier, entry of women was restricted to the fixed-wing aircraft that took off and landed ashore. Both, Sub-Lieutenant Kumudini Tyagi, hails from Ghaziabad, and Sub-Lieutenant Riti Singh, hails from Hyderabad, are engineering graduates in computer science. They were commissioned into the Navy in 2018. Sub-Lieutenant Kumudini Tyagi and Sub-Lieutenant Riti Singh are among 17 Indian Navy officers who were awarded wings on graduating as observers at a ceremony took place at INS Garuda, Kochi, on Monday.